Top 10 most expensive transfer fee in football history. 10. Romelu Lukaku, 115 million euros. Moises Caicedo, 116.2 million euros. 8. Declan Rice, 116.6 million euros. 7. Jack Grealish, 117 million euros. 6. Antoine Griezmann, 120 million euros. 5. Enzo Fernandez, 121 million euros. 4. João Felix, 126 million euros. 3. Philippe Coutinho, 145 million euros. 2. Kylian Mbappé, 180 million euros. 1. Neymar, 222 million euros.